right, here we go. We got a Dyson vacuum. We've got this for our apartment. We're going to try it out and do a review here on Urban J Reviews. So let's dive in here and take a look. So we'll put it on its side here and open her up. See how she works, and yeah, you can see we'll put it together and show you guys once it's all put together. Wow, already making some noises. Alright, so this Dyson V11 Outsize is one of the top vacuum cleaners on the market right now. Excellent for cleaning carpets, floors, edges, pet hair especially, even your truck. Yeah, so you can see there's all these parts here that allow all-in-one action. You can get in the tight places and the big places, get bulk off the floor. You can see all these different parts here. Look at that plug and play action right there, just snaps right in there. And excellent swivel here for those hard to reach places. You can see this is the long extension. It comes with two batteries right here. The other one's already attached. So now we'll show you guys how to charge the battery. Come on over here. So there's the charging hole right there. Plug it in, and there's the blue light indicating that it is actually successfully charging. And now I'm going to show you guys all the accessories and tools, adapters that come with this. We'll go through each one by one here, and you can see this is with the extension on. Each one of these easily snaps right in place. All right, now we'll remove the extension and shorten the length of this Dyson vacuum. All right, check it out. We got some debris here on the ground, and we're going to see how strong this Dyson really is, this Dyson V11 Outsize. So here we go. Wow, look at all that. Got almost all of it in one go. Actually, look how fast all that came up. And as you can see here, it does have 3 different modes. Just push the button, you go from medium to eco to boost. So that's pretty good. So here we'll start out in auto, the default setting. And here we are working in eco mode, which uses the least amount of power. And boost here, which uses the most amount of suction. And as you can see, it's really easy to just get rid of all the debris. You just push the red button down and voila, it even pushes it out for you. All right, so as you can see, this Dyson here has multiple different uses. You can use it in your truck, your car, you can use it in your apartment, a big home. If you've got pets, you can use it for that. If you have parties, kids, it'll clean up anything. It's got multi uses. You can see you can make it longer, shorter. That's really good. And I got this for my apartment. I did put a link to this on Amazon. You could pick it up in the description below. So if you're in the market for a really good economical vacuum that's got a lot of power and does the job, that'll last quite a bit of time, sign up for the warranty though. This Dyson right here, I recommend it. And thanks for watching Urban J Reviews, and we'll see you guys on the next one.